Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the UI not responding in your Android device. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your settings and scroll all the way below until you see apps. Under apps, search for Android. Then you will see this Android System Intelligence. Tap onto it and let's go ahead clear the cache. Under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto it, select clear cache. Once you have done that, all you have to do is long tap onto your power off button and simply restart your device. At times, restarting your device could fix a lot of problems. So go ahead, do that and wait for 5 minutes before you use any other applications. And likewise, it will definitely fix your problem. If it's still not working, then again, head over to your settings. Get to the home page here, select software update. If you see there is any updation available, select download and install and update your software. So guys, these are the fixes that you can try. If it helped, please leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.